Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on adding a Get Out the Boat expenditure. A Get Out the Boat expenditure is a payment for Get Out the Boat activities such as busing voters to the polls, slate cards, and poll workers. To begin entering a Get Out the Boat expenditure, first select the appropriate report from the Reports tab. Select the Transaction Guide icon from the toolbar. Select Get Out the Boat expenditure from the Expenditures/Loans section. This will prompt a Get Out the Boat expenditure information window. Select the name from the Name drop-down list. If the name has not yet been entered, select Add Name and enter the contributor's information. Enter the date the Get Out the Boat expenditure was made by selecting the date from the calendar provided or by manually keying the date. Please note that you cannot select or key in a date that is outside of the coverage period for the selected report. Enter the amount of the Get Out the Boat expenditure. Description is a required field. If this Get Out the Boat expenditure was made for a fundraising event held by your committee, select the fundraiser from the drop-down list, or select Add Fundraiser to create a new event. Select the type of Get Out the Boat expenditure from the Type drop-down list. Once all required information has been entered, the following options will become available. Next will allow you to continue adding Get Out the Boat expenditures. Clone will allow you to add Get Out the Boat expenditures of the same amount, description, and fundraising event. Cancel will exit the guide without saving the record. OK will save the record and return to the Reports tab. Outgoing committee receipts will allow you to switch to a different type of receipt. Incoming committee receipts will allow you to switch to contributions. For quick access to the MERTS user guide or the candidate manual or the MERTS video library, refer to the Manual/User Guide tab or click on the Video tab. Select OK to save and exit. To modify an existing transaction, open the All Transactions tab by selecting View from the toolbar and selecting All Transactions. Locate the record you wish to modify and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Modify from the submenu. Make the changes, and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. You must right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the change to the transaction. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click on the transaction and choose Delete from the submenu. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click on the transaction and select D-Report to remove. The original transaction will be removed from the report but will continue to show in the All Transactions tab and will be grayed out. Be sure to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.